Okay, super simple fix for the roof rails. T25 Bit, Torx bit, takes out the little bolts that are in there. I could opt to get the gaskets that go under each bolt hole, but instead I'm just going to use the blue RTV gasket maker. I had it laying around. That's the cheapest way to make a fix. So nothing to it but to do it. So here we go. All right, so as you can see, super simple. Just make a bead around the hole, place your rail back on there, bolt goes back in the hole, and that will form a gasket. Super simple. All right, that's that. Hopefully with a little bit of luck, she won't have any more problems with that that moisture problem whenever it rains real hard. So if you like what you're seeing, if you want me to do more, one, let me know what you'd like to see. I've also got a 2007 Chevy Silverado half-ton 4-wheel drive, so if there's something you want to see on that, if you have one or something similar, let me know and I can do a video on those. Comment below to let me know. Of course, subscribe. Anytime you subscribe, it helps me to know that, one, you like what you're seeing, two, that I'm not a complete dork on this thing. In the beginning, you always kind of feel like a little self-conscious. So like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to do, what you want me to do, and I will see you next time.